FreightShare Lab, a collaborative research project to improve freight efficiency. Using our experience on optimization tools for individual fleets, we can apply the power of algorithms through a digital freight collaboration platform and deliver cost efficiency savings of up to 20%. Unlock the power of collaboration by linking multiple fleet operators together. Ensure goods are moved in the most efficient way. Vehicles optimized for miles travelled. Multiply the business efficiency gains and revenue earning potential, so operators know every job is fulfilled with optimum efficiency. Fewer miles, fewer vehicles, less CO2 emissions, reduced costs. And the customer knows this too. Let's see what it looks like in practice. Joe Smith Transport. Busy serving the needs of its customers for 30 years, but the squeeze is on. Joe's main customers are demanding lower costs and are threatening to look elsewhere. Joe needs some help. By optimizing Joe's fleet to meet the needs of his customers using existing asset optimization tools, he can reduce energy use and emissions by on average 12.5%. A happy operator and customers for now. Dan Jones Logistics have a similar sized fleet and depot structure. They're already using an optimization system, but they are finding their clients have a lot of peaks and troughs in their demands. Some days Dan needs more trucks than he's got, and other days he's got a surplus. Ideally, he needs to allocate resources for the trough and not have any unused surplus carrying capacity. FreightShare Lab gives Joe and Dan a secure, trusted platform to collaborate, protecting their own business interests and client confidentiality, while unlocking the capacity of each other's vehicles and clients' freight movements. Both Dan and Joe can earn more without increasing the price for the customer. How can that be? If you're a freight operator, you can upload your goods movements and vehicles into the system for optimization, and our algorithm will present the delivery manifest or job sheet for the next day, week, or month of your business. Where there's an effective match, the algorithm will always allocate the job to the best priced carrier with lower emissions than the originating contract owner, and the savings are distributed among them periodically. You'll be guaranteed to benefit from improved profitability. No match, and you're back to your initial contracted position. So, how does it work? 1. Members negotiate and agree their terms and conditions, as well as other algorithm inputs in advance. 2. A neutral trustee manages the platform and facilitates collaboration between members. Members' commercially sensitive data will remain confidential, ensuring compliance with competition law. 3. You submit a contract for the movement of freight for your customer to the platform. The data from the contract, volume, cargo type, origin, destination, etc. are used by the FreightShare Lab algorithm to start searching its database. 4. To see if there's a delivery option that meets all the requirements, for example, lower price, lower emissions. If you have used another platform already, the FSL has a collaboration agreement with it. FSL will check to see if the solution it has can be bettered. Do not worry, only the FreightShare Lab sees all the data. Nobody else needs to know it or will see it. 5. The platform provides members with their routing and schedules for job delivery. 6. The difference between the estimated operating cost of the original contract price and the price of the chosen solution providers is held temporarily by FreightShare Lab. 7. The amount is later shared between collaborating members as a bonus or dividend. 8. So, as a contract owner, you get to keep your original profit margin and get an added dividend. 9. Those who fulfill the job have their costs covered. They keep their profit and also get an added dividend. Everyone's a winner. 10. FreightShare Lab drives competition. The more efficient members are, the more chance they will have of being selected by the platform and getting more dividend payouts on top. 11. The platform will make a payment of the agreed gain share once platform costs are covered to all network partners. 12. What happens if FreightShare Lab cannot find an alternative option to fulfill the contract you have won? Well, you fulfill the contract as originally arranged with your customer. Business as usual. The more operators that join the FreightShare Lab platform of platforms and the more assets they post, the more likely it is that a better solution will be found by the algorithm. And the more chance there is of operators earning more and customers never being stranded through lack of logistics availability. This is a real game changer that benefits everyone and the environment at the same time. Too good to be true? Test our virtualization tool and see what difference FreightShare Lab could make to your business. Be part of the future. Be part of FreightShare Lab. Come and talk to us to find out more.